Hey guys, Great Man Plays here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a keycard door in Roblox Studio. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to go and insert a part into Workspace. You can do this by clicking this button up here. Then you're going to go and resize this to whatever size you want. I'm going to personally be making mine 6 by 8 by 1, but you can make yours whatever size you want. Then I'm going to go and anchor it, and then I'm going to change its name to door. Then I'm going to put a script inside of the part, and I'm going to say local door equals script dot parent, and then local key card name equals quotation mark quotation mark. And then you're gonna put whatever the card name is in here. So whatever you want the card name to be. And then you're gonna go 2 lines down and type local function on touched open bracket, close bracket, hit, and then this is going to refer to whatever touches it, and then go down a line, and then you're going to type if hit dot parent dot name equals keycard name. So if whatever touches its parent's name, so the parent will be the tool that you're using, and then the tool's name, if it is the keycard's name, then we'll do whatever is inside of this if statement. And you're going to type in door.transparency equals 0.5 and door.canCollide equals false. Then we're going to do wait 5 or however long you want it to be. Let's say 3 or 5 or whatever you want it to be. And then door.transparency equals 0. And then door.canCollide equals true. Then you're going to want to go down at the bottom, 2 lines down, door.touch, connect, untouched. This wraps up the scripting part. Then you're going to close this tab if you want, and then you're going to insert a tool by doing what I just did. And then you're going to call the tool whatever you specified the name in your script. So this name, if it was keycard, you would do, if it was keycard, then you would call this one keycard. But since I'm calling it card, it's going to be card. And make it, you have to have the capitalization right. So if it was like card, then that wouldn't work. But if it's card, then it'll work. Anyway, then you're going to insert another brick and then resize this to be whatever you want the key card to be. So I'm just going to make mine this size. You can see here what the size is. And then I'm going to change its name to handle and then put it in the card. And then I'm going to put this wherever I want the player to get it. So I'm just going to put it in starter pack for now, but you can do it however else you want. Then you can hit play here, or play, whichever you want. Then you can just go and equip the card, and you can go and touch the door, and it will open, and you can move through it. But after 5 seconds, if you go and touch it again, without the card equipped, it won't work, and it won't work unless you touch something with the parent's name as card to it. And that's how you make a keycard door in Roblox Studio. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day. Bye bye.